just came in here to fill up the feed. Esmeralda, you almost got squished. Our feed was really low, so I knew that from last night. I literally had it open and was getting ready to pour it in, and all of a sudden I saw her, so glad she hopped out. I didn't clean up the bedding wagon last night, so I'm using it to bring the hay over so I don't have to carry it all today. I'm trying the hay in 2 places again, so hopefully everyone will get to eat quick. Good morning, everyone. Honey, I'm happy to see that you're still in your run. Good morning, Bridget. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Harlow and Ember. Good morning, Silky Boys. No. Go on. Keep going. Good boys. We got Dumbledore over into the bigger cage. We got Dwayne some more food. I filled up his kickin' chicken water, and I also gave him the option of just some fresh water today, so we'll see what he chooses throughout the day. Does that taste yummy? Good morning, bunny girls. It's time for breakfast, girls. I'm bringing breakfast, honey. So rabbits get trained to sounds, and he's waiting to hear the latch sound of me opening the door. But that's impossible with his run. So I opened this, so now he's super confused. Up here, honey. Come on. Come on, honey. I wonder if I touch it. Oh, come on. He's over here tantruming. Honey, come up to your bedroom. Your food's upstairs. Come on. Go on up there. That's where your food is. There you go. Finally found it. Looks like the girls knocked over the hay thing and are leaving this pile. Looks harder to eat, in my opinion. Ember and Harlow got smart and came over to this pile, so I'm glad I put it there. We came out to scoop stalls, and the girls are in their favorite spot. We're gonna get this rabbit area cleaned out, changing litter too. We got the bunny area all swept out. Now I'm gonna sweep the barn and then get Honey's run attached again. Hallie's taking a nap on her heating pad. So is Honey. I got the barn all swept out. The stalls are all filled with bedding and ready for bedtime for when it's time. I'm gonna grab Dwayne and let him run around in the garden while I clean the chicken coops. We're making our way to the garden. Yeah, you see her, girls? Hold on. I know. Hopefully he's all right with just being in the garden and not with his girls. Everybody's pretty excited to see him. I just called Laban to come out here and bring Dwayne into the big girls because I'm pretty sure Dwayne's gonna try and get in here. But I want someone to watch him closely while I am doing the coop. No, Dwayne! Oh, Lord. Okay, we'll get you in here. Give me just a minute. Just a second. I set him down on the swing set so he can decide if he wants to go down by the girls or not. But it looks like the girls are all hopping up to him, so we'll see how long this lasts. Okay, so that did not work. Dwayne instantly started getting his comb pecked at. So we have a new plan. Tomorrow morning, we're only gonna let a few hens out and see if Dwayne can handle just having a few hens with him. If he can handle the few hens, then we'll add a few more out. I'm wondering if he's just overwhelmed with how many hens there are because they just kind of surround him. And he's always been super docile. That's why we decided to keep him. And that might be coming to his demise. So that's the only option we can come up with. So we're going to try that tomorrow morning. So for now, unfortunately, he's going to have to go back to his cage. Sorry, buddy. We're going to get Nugget's coop clean real quick. Here we go. Bantam coop's clean. Now we're going to collect eggs. I'm going to take Miss Hershey, I know, out of the nesting box so she can quit being broody. We'll have a good day, sister, okay? Now I'm gonna get her egg. Chocolate, we're gonna get your coop clean, okay? Here we go. Do we think these girls are laying eggs or just being broody? I was just throwing some of the poop out of the coop and my aim wasn't very good. So I hope tonight it rains really hard and cleans this coop off. Sorry, Wayne. The big coop's clean. Now we'll collect all the eggs. I can see one under this lady, which makes me think there are probably some more under her, but I'll get them in a minute. Alright, little miss, do you have any more eggs under you? Nope, just that one. Alright, any eggs under you? One under you. Any eggs under you? Nope. Any eggs under you? No eggs. I'm out here getting the barn ready so that we can let the girls in. It's a Wednesday, so we have to put everyone up before the sun goes down. I got Dumbledore switched over. Are you ready for your treats, little girls? Here you go, Felicity. Here you go, Molly. Here you go, Hallie. Here's your treat, honey. Harlow's jonesing for her bottle. Just a second. We're gonna see if we can let the girls in and they go where they're supposed to. Bridget was a good girl. Dove was a good girl. Atlee was not a good girl. We don't get the chicken food. Yeah, go to your stall, silly. Ember was a good girl. Go on and get your treats, Harlow. I don't have any more bottle. Here, look. Treats. There you go. Got Dwayne some more water, so now he's ready for bed. Night, buddy. I'm gonna see if I can interest the Silky boys into going into the barn. Wanna head to the barn? We got the boys in, now we just have to convince them to go to their cage. Pepper, head to your cage. Go on. Go on. Getting them all in their cage. Good job, boys. Go on. In your cage. In your cage. Good night, guys. These chickens definitely aren't ready for bedtime, so Wayne will put them up when he gets home, but I'm gonna collect some eggs real quick. These girls are already ready for bed. We're closing up a little bit early today, but I think we all enjoyed the warm weather, so hopefully we're sleepy. Everyone's had their treats and been loved on. We hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.